Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajendra from Pixel Layers. Today we will learn how to color a black and white image. So as this is the image I have chosen for this tutorial. So before starting to color it, I just want to modify this image a bit because I think this is bit overexposed. So create a curves adjustment layer and reduce the brightness a little bit. So now you can see this is the before and this is the after. So I think this looks pretty good. Close this window. Now to color this image we can use solid color adjustment layer, but there is a problem. I'll show you what. Just create a solid color adjustment layer and choose a color for a skin. Let's say this color and make this blending mode to color. So in this way we cannot control the darker area, midtones and the brighter area because the same color is applied all over the face. So instead of this, I'll suggest to use gradient map. So go to gradient map and then select different color for darker area, mid-tones and the brighter area. So what gradient map does, it will fill the selected color to darker area and it will fill the selected color for brighter area as well. So like that we can control the darker area, brighter area and the mid-tones. So we can create multiple color stops. So for our purpose we need to choose color for skin. So let's choose this color for dark and for mid tones we can choose this color, and for the bright we can choose this color. So we'll revisit this window again. So click OK and close this window. Now make the blending option to color. So we can revisit the gradient map. Open the gradient editor. So now you can play with the colors and see how it looks. Just choose a different hue. See, this part is being modified. So I think this will work. Anyway, we'll see once more. Now create one more color step here and change this to somewhere so it became more red. So I think this is fine. Okay, now go to this and reduce the hue and see this part is being modified here. See, these are the part is being modified. So I think no, just play with hue, saturation and brightness to adjust the color. This looks good. Create another color stop and just make this, just change this color somewhere here. Saturation level I think we need to reduce. So this is fine, and now go to this color, go to hue, change it, saturation, see how it looks, reduce the saturation. So I think this is quite good. Hit OK and close this property windows. So now the color is applied all over the image, so we need only over the face. To do that, click on the layer mask. So click on Command I to inverse it, and then take the brush tool, make sure the foreground color is white, and then start painting over the face. I'll just choose brush as soft round brush and start painting over the face. So we need to paint it here as well. So this is fine. So don't worry if you are painting over the clothes as well, so we can always remove this. To remove this, you need to select black color instead of white. To toggle between black and white, you can use X. Now just reduce the brush size and remove from these areas. Remove it from here as well. Now this looks fine. Yeah, this is quite okay. So now for the lips we can use solid color adjustment layer and go to hue and choose a color for the lips and go for color burn. Okay, so just concentrate over the lips, don't worry about the faces. So once you are satisfied with the color, you can go to the layer mask. Again, you can click Command I to inverse the mask, then choose the brush tool and select white color, and then start painting over the lips. So now the face is almost done. We can color the clothes by using a solid color adjustment layer again. Then choose a different color and hit OK. Then again go to the color blending option. Select the layer mask and hit Command I to inverse the mask, and then choose the brush tool. Make sure the color is white and then start painting over the cloth. Or you can copy the mask from the gradient layer by holding the option key and releasing this over this layer. So now you can see this color is applied all over the face, but we need this color to be applied over the clothes. So what we can do, we can inverse this mask by pressing Command I. So now you can see this color is applied over the clothes, and you can see this color is applied over the lips as well. So what we can do is just paint with black color, paint the lips with black color to remove the mask, and little bit from here as well. Okay, even from the eyes, a little bit from this place as well. Okay, so now I think this looks perfect. Okay, here and there we need to remove the mask. So now you can change the color of the dress by selecting this color, and you can change it to anything whatever you like. So let's make it red. Yeah, it's looking good to me. So now you can see this is the before and this is the after. This is the before, this is the after. So thank you for watching this. I hope you like this tutorial. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.